Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session 21 from the playlist of IIT JEE Advanced Physics. The topic is the key points to remember with regards to the motion of a charge in an elliptical orbit around another charge. So, based on this topic, a question was asked in the IIT JEE exam in the year 2009. So, this is the question which was asked in the year 2009 and it is based on this topic. So the question here is a charge minus q moves in an elliptical orbit around a charge plus q. So which of the following statement is or are correct about this negative charge? So there can be multiple options which can be correct in this case. So the first option is angular momentum is constant. That is, the angular momentum of this negative charge is constant. The second option is that the linear momentum of this charge is constant, the angular velocity is constant, and the linear speed is constant. Now, since this negative charge is moving in an elliptical orbit as shown in this figure, so this is a positive charge. So this charge will be experiencing an electrostatic force, an electrostatic attractive force, and this force will be directed towards this charge, that is towards this capital Q charge as shown by this arrow. Now, as we all know that the rate of change of angular momentum is equal to the applied torque. Now here the torque on this negative charge will be equal to the product of the distance between these two charges and the force which is acting normal to this distance between these two charges. Now the force normal to this distance, say this distance is equal to r. So the force which is normal to this distance r is 0. There is an electrostatic attractive force between these two charges which is directed towards this positive charge q, and it is along this line which is joining these two charges. So the force which is perpendicular to this line is 0 in this case, and because of that the torque will be equal to 0. So that when the torque is equal to 0, then we can say that the angular momentum L is constant. Now angular momentum is this L, this is also equal to I omega, where I is the moment of inertia. Now since this charge is moving in an elliptical orbit, so its moment of inertia is continuously changing. So from here the angular velocity omega is equal to L upon I. So since I is changing continuously, so omega, that is the angular velocity, is changing continuously. So this angular velocity is not constant. This is wrong. Now since this this charge is moving in an elliptical orbit, therefore its linear speed is changing continuously. So this is also not correct. This third option, that is angular velocity, this is also not correct. Now let's come to the this linear momentum. Now linear momentum is equal to m into v. So here since the linear speed is continuously changing, therefore the linear momentum is also continuously changing. So it is not constant. So the only option which is correct here is A. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same chapter of electric charges and field. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.